Nearly half the cars coming into the shop for service these days use 1234yf. Since 2013, it's been the most used coolant for first fill for a ton of manufacturers. Ford, Honda, Toyota, BMW, just about every make and model there is. And 15 million cars go out of warranty every year. So when they need service, they end up here. And the one brand we trust is Opteon YF. It's the only brand of 1234yf made entirely in America, so we know it's quality. And our customers like to hear that too. Opteon YF replaces R-1234a because YF's just a lot better for the environment, reducing global warming potential by 99%. And people just want to feel good about the cars they're driving. This year, 90% of the cars sold in the United States will be charged with YF. You've probably already seen some of them too. And if not, you can bet you'll be seeing them soon. And here's what you're going to need to know. First, how do you know if a car uses YF? Well, there's a label under the hood that looks like this. If that label is missing for some reason, you can verify that the car uses YF in the owner's manual. And here's what you'll need. The service equipment works pretty much the same as the old 134A equipment, though everything needs to be compatible with YF. That's because, unlike the R-134A, the cylinder threading is reversed, left-hand threaded, so there's no possibility for cross-contamination. As with any refrigerant, you should always make sure you're familiar with the safety data sheet before you start any work. The refrigerant recovery and recharging machine you're using will walk you through the sequence of steps. It does take a little more time to service a YF car because of a few built-in safety checks the machine will run. Opteon is made by the same people who created Freon, and the reason we use it here is that we know it's made in the USA, so it's held to the highest standard of manufacturing and quality control. And I know I can trust what we're putting into our customers' vehicles. Bottom line, there are more than 80 million cars on the road right now charged with YF. If you're not already equipped to service millions of vehicles, now's a really good time to get started. You can learn more about Opteon YF and how to service YF vehicles at opteon.com/YF.